Hi everyone, my name is Shashi Pandey. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the 3 ways to know the status of your application from CIC or IRCC. It can be very frustrating not to know the status of your application or the cause for the delay. But check the standard processing time before getting too worried about your application. You can check the current processing time for the type of application you have applied on the CIC website. Select what are you applying for, then which temporary resident application you are applying for. Now select where are you applying from. I'm selecting India. And then get processing time. It shows that the processing time for my application is 14 weeks. Only start worrying after this time period has passed and you still haven't heard from CIC. There are 3 ways to know the application status. Option number 1, through CIC website. Go to Google and type CIC application status. You would see a bunch of options. Select the CIC websites option. Now you see check your application status and select whatever you applied for. I am selecting work permit, then continue. Then they are giving me an option to sign in. I'll sign in with a GC key. And then you can see your application where it stands. But the status might not change for a long period of time and you might need to contact IRCC agent directly, and for that consider the other 2 options. Calling CIC is a very good option, but it is only feasible for people residing in North America. Also, the line is always very busy and you might end up waiting for a long time without getting through to the agent. If by luck it gets connected to the agent, keep your application ready as they might ask you the application number or other details. I have called CIC multiple times without any luck as the line is always very busy. Calling them at 8 AM sharp is the good idea as the traffic is less during the first few minutes. If none of the above works, you can contact IRCC via web form. I received the reply to my query within 24 hours, so you might want to check that one as well. On the IRCC website, you would find an option to submit a case-specific inquiry. Click on that and you would see IRCC web form page. Click on Tell Us More and you would be shown some options. Select the suitable options which are applicable to you. Now click on Go to Web Form. You will see IRCC web form page and the inquiry. Select type of application or an inquiry. And then the subtype. And now here in this section you can write the query or the issue you have or the delay you're facing. Here you can write the applicant information, which would be the applicant's name and mobile number, etc. And this inquirer information, which can be the applicant or somebody else. And now click accept and next. And you are done. And you should receive the reply from IRCC team within 24 to 48 hours. These are the 3 ways I'm aware of. If you know of some other ways, then please write in the comment section below so that we can all benefit from your knowledge. I hope this was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.